Inspire to Build is a 6-week programme led by the North Wales Regional Skills Partnership with support from CITB and construction employers. I've been part of the pilot offered to Year 12 and 13 learners across Anglesey schools. We've attended Coleg Menai in Llangefni on a Tuesday after school, and we've had interactive sessions by different employers, including Reed Construction, Wyn Construction, Griffiths and Menter Môn Morlais team. We also had the site visits to the Holyhead Border Control site, guided by Kia Construction.
This initiative started from our construction employer cluster group. Members of the group were discussing that they were struggling to encourage and inspire young people to consider construction as a career option. So we decided that we would look into, an initiative to try and encourage these young people to consider construction. The Inspire to Build programme, I think, has been a success, and I led on one of the sessions. Really enjoyed it, really did enjoy it. The young people were really keen to engage, they wanted to learn more and really ask some good questions. Didn't really take up a lot of our time. I think these evening sessions have worked quite well for everybody. And as a result, one of the young people has already contacted me to ask for work experience placement next summer.
The Inspire to Build pilot has been a great example of partnership working between ourselves and CITB, the RSP, Anglesey County Council and local employers to promote the technical side and jobs within the sector to try and inspire young people who are studying A-level subjects to consider a career within our sector.
We chose to be part of this scheme initially because of being involved in the Regional Skills Partnership in the Construction Cluster Group, and we recognise that young talent and young people within Wales need to be supported within their higher education. So the fact also of the degree apprenticeship funding that's coming out of Welsh Government, we wanted to be able to harness that young talent that's coming through, and it was important for us to be able to one of the key main contractors as part of that process, and involvement as well from a social value perspective, in that our social value activities that we do on projects and for our clients are always embodied within all the sort of work that we do in the communities where we're working, but it can include things like apprenticeships, work experience placements. So it was absolutely key that Wyn Construction had to be part of the scheme and part of the pilot, and we hope that we can, with our involvement, inspire other employers to join the programme in the future, but also to support the young people who are looking to do degree apprenticeships within Wales.
So the programme's been really useful in terms of providing young people with opportunities to engage with employers and gain valuable work-related education, and that aligns closely with the principles of the Curriculum for Wales. In terms of further skills, they've had fantastic opportunities to find out what skills are required of the workplace, what employers are looking for, skills of the future, and it helps them transition towards that next phase in their career when it comes to leaving education and into employment. So the commitment required from schools effectively means that what we need is their support in identifying these people, facilitating the opportunities and helping with the arrangements with regards to attending these courses. So we try to make it as least burdensome on them as possible.
I've certainly enjoyed the programme, and it's brought me a lot of benefits. Benefits being skills such as how to be a project manager. When we were in Holyhead during the site visit, I got to manage a team where we were building a bridge, and that was a great experience. After the programme, I feel more informed about the jobs available in the construction industry.
Well, the programme's let me know what I want to do now in construction and what I don't want to do. It's like kind of widened my view on construction stuff, and I've really enjoyed doing some of the tasks, and I enjoyed the site visit. I would recommend this programme to other learners because it's really helped me out and helped me know what to do with the construction.
I've learned a lot of new things, and it's definitely tested my skills, and I feel like my teamwork skills has definitely improved a lot, and I feel a lot more confident working with people I've never met before, and even taking orders from a project manager or anybody with that kind of higher power, I feel a lot more comfortable doing that. I feel like that's definitely improved a lot since I began.
This programme has been really valuable to me because I've been able to build relationships with different companies, such as sorting out my work experience and just learning a lot more about local companies. Since being part of the programme, I feel a lot more informed about different jobs that I could do in the construction industry, especially since I'd like to be an architect. I've learned a lot about the pathways I can take to do that in the future.
Before the programme, I didn't quite know what I'd like to do, but now, knowing what I do, I'd certainly consider the construction industry as a pathway for me and my future.